Alright, let me show you guys the brightness of it. So as you guys can see, this is on high. So that's how bright it is. I mean, it's very, very bright. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are showing you guys some solar landscape lights. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. So it looks like there's actually USB cables in here they provide you. A screwdriver, manual, different mounting brackets. So this is it. So it actually looks like, interesting. So this solar light can only be turned on and adjusted in dark or when the solar panel is completely obscured. So really nice looking panel, nice looking lights. I bet these are going to be really bright. So it is a 2-pack, and they do give you screws as well. So these are 40 LED spotlights, IP65 waterproof, frost resistant, and heat resistant. It says fully charged before use, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Now you can charge them with the USB cables. That's what they're there for. So when you plug it in, it's going to blink and it's going to let you know that it's charging. Or just have it charge with the sun, whatever you guys want to do. So there's 3 modes. So what you could do to set this, you just block the panel. And this is mode number 1, 2, and 3. So you have super bright, medium, and low. And then once you select it, you just use the button on the back here to select it. We'll probably have it on medium. And now you're good to go to mount it. So to set this up, go ahead, take the screwdriver and loosen this up. Once you have it loosed up, you can go ahead and pop this in just like that. You don't have to thread the screw out. Once you have that in, you can tighten it up a little bit again. And then this can be adjusted. So you can mount this just like that, anywhere you want. 2 screw holes. Or if you want to put it in the ground, you can put these stakes right in, just line the stake up. And now it can be staked into the ground just like that. Now, put it to the position that you want it pointing at. And then once you have it to that position, tighten the screw the whole way. That way it doesn't move around. And just like that, it's that simple. Alright, let me show you guys the brightness of it. So as you guys can see, this is on high. So that's how bright it is. I mean, it's very, very bright. If you take it away, as you guys can see how dark, that's how bright it is. So it's going to shine very well. That's on high. Let's drop it down to medium. So right there is on medium and low. So low's good for stuff at close range. High, if you just want a big area lit. Medium and low. Overall, love it. It's going to provide good protection and plenty of light.